Good morning, guys. So this is what the snow looks like. Today is the 18th of January, and the snow has melted. It went down a little bit. It's compact, but this is what the aftermath. I'm just showing you some of the snow. So guys, it's a little bit easier to walk in. It's not like you could walk any faster, but this is what it looks like. Oh guys, check this. My boots are covered, and as you could see, there's still a lot of snow on the ground, and it looks beautiful. It's glistening in the sun. Thank God for the sun, guys. You see, thank God for the snow, thank God for the rain, the sun, the wind. Everything is good in its right time. So as you could see, I'm just going to take a walk with you guys to show you around. This is to my ankle, almost to my to my knee. This snow is almost to my knee. Oh, so I'm going to check to see if I'm able to use the sidewalks. Maybe last night they came in and they cleared the sidewalks. As you could see here, guys, check all this. So wow, no, they didn't. So I'm guessing they didn't clean the sidewalks. It's too much snow. You see, everyone is busy cleaning the roads, so they were not able to clean the sidewalks. And some schools in Toronto are closed because of the snow, guys. Check this out. This, I can't even move. You could get stuck. So guys, the snow is real. I don't even know. Trying to go for a walk, but I don't think that's going to be possible today. I'm stuck. I'm trying to climb up this little snow hill, but my legs are not long enough. So I'm going to pass. Oh my gosh, I don't think I could pass anywhere. I can't pass anywhere. I'm sorry, guys. I can't go anywhere. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm stuck. So guys, can you imagine that we got all this snow yesterday? So this is why some of the kids couldn't go to school today. Most of the schools are closed because how are they gonna go through this? How are they gonna go through this? It's hard. Check out the roofs. But like I said, thank God for the sun. So some of the snow on people's roof could be melted. Whew. They are doing their best to pick up the garbage. Even if we had all this snow, they're doing their job. That's the most snow we've had for the winter. Oh! Guys, I don't think I could go on this way. Ugh. Garbage truck is still doing its work. Ooh, guys, check this. Snows on the roof is crazy. See. I think some people were even kind of trapped in their driveways. Get their way out from this snow. Can you imagine? The roads are partially cleaned, but that's okay. I guess they're doing the best they can. So you could get around. Imagine all the roads they have to clean them. But in spite of the snow, it's a beautiful day today, guys. Give thanks. Thank God for waking us up to see another morning. Thank God for our family, and thank Him for everything He's done for us and for what He'll be doing for us. all this snow. We have to be sharing the road with the drivers because the sidewalks, some of them are not cleared yet. So yeah. Guys, shoveling. You have to do the best you can in this situation. See, somebody's vehicle. It's cold. Somebody's garbage bin got stuck. Sorry. It's somebody's driveway. The only thing that could save someone in this situation is a snowblower. Shoveling this, guys, yesterday I tried to shovel it and wow, it's crazy. Anyways, let God's will be done. It is what it is. It is what it is. Big boulders. You know, in spite of all that snow we got yesterday, God still permits the sun to shine this morning. You know, God is a good God. In spite of all the snow, He's showering us now with His sun to help us melt all this snow out. What a good God. He never gave us more than we could bear. Amen. So guys, some people's vehicles got stuck in the snow. That's a smart idea. Guys, I'm freezing my hands off to show you this. I don't even have feelings in there. I can't hold the phone with the gloves. And sometimes when I need to switch it on and off, I think it's just best I just have no gloves. Garbage truck on duty. Now I need to go through there because there's no other exit. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to get stuck. Anyways, let's see how it goes. Ah, come on. Guys, I'm sitting when I'm letting myself down. Oh my god. Oh. Oi. Look it. Oh.